Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your PC meets drivers and OS requirements, then plug the Bluetooth dongle into a reliable USB 2.0 or 3.0 port. Once done, make sure Windows or your Linux distribution detects a new USB device. Allow automatic driver install or use the vendor driver. You should open Device Manager or LSUSP to confirm presence. If prompted for a restart, do it now. This clears USB stacks and ensures the adapter initializes before you continue to pairing. Now you enable Bluetooth in settings, or click the system tray icon and toggle it on. You'll set the adapter's power profile, choose balanced on battery, full performance on AC, because that affects range and stability. Next, open the Bluetooth settings to make the PC discoverable and start scanning for devices. If you see the dongle listed, right-click to access properties and update firmware or drivers using the vendor tool. Doing this reduces pairing errors and improves compatibility with modern profiles. Finally, put your headset, mouse, or phone into pairing mode and select Add Device in Bluetooth settings, then choose Bluetooth and tap the device name. You'll accept any PIN or confirm a code. Once paired, set the device as default audio or input where needed. If pairing fails, first reinsert the dongle and restart the Bluetooth service, then update drivers. If problems persist, try a different USB port, disable conflicting USB devices, and consult the vendor utility. These steps usually resolve signal or driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.